Which robot is more impressive, Boston Dynamics Atlas or LimX Dynamics Luna? Today on AI News, we're comparing two brand new humanoid releases for you to decide who owns the future of movement. But before showing you Atlas's 4 newest football moves, first we'll break down LimX Dynamics' newest Luna humanoid into its 4 core architectural pillars, starting with its physical specs. So this is a full-size humanoid that stands at 160 centimeters or about 5 feet 3 inches tall and weighs 55 kilograms or about 121 pounds. And in terms of its degrees of freedom, it features 27, not counting its 12 degree of freedom hands, where LimX Dynamics has also noted alternative configurations of up to 33 total degrees of freedom. And in terms of mobility, it's capable of achieving a maximum walking speed of 5 kilometers per hour or approximately 3.1 miles per hour, and it supports a lifting payload strength of up to 50 kilograms or approximately 110 pounds. But in order for Luna to achieve these human-like gaits, it takes some heavy lifting under the hood, which brings us to Luna's second pillar, its hardware. So starting with actuation technology, it's using its second generation System 0 motion engine, featuring upgraded electric servo joint motors, which are coupled with precision reduction gears as well as harmonic drives. Then in terms of thermal management, it uses upgraded joint cooling systems that are designed to maintain a 0% joint surface temperature during spikes of extended continuous cycles, like you see here with these acrobatics. And in terms of its power supply, the battery runs for up to 5 hours, but electric servos are only as useful as the brain that controls them, which leads us to Luna's third architectural pillar, its artificial intelligence. So in terms of its sensory payload, it uses real-time environment comprehension with built-in Intel RealSense D435i depth cameras, as well as LiDAR hardware for simultaneous localization and mapping. And for movement replication or video to motion, Luna is using LimX's Video Gen Motion or VGM framework, which autonomously analyzes, translates, and copies all of the physical acts of humans into recorded video files or kinesthetic teaching inputs. On top of this, it also features an AI task editor, where an integrated natural language processing interface allows for text-based task generation or processing simple commands directly into coordinated voice, visual tracking, and movement tasks. And then it also features swarm synchronization, where it can integrate a localized network command infrastructure that allows smart swarm controls to orchestrate up to 200 plus distinct individual robotic units, all simultaneously with millisecond level precision. But in terms of its last architectural pillar, its operation, it's using active protection, which means that it's equipped with real-time posture monitoring for active fall mitigation, so it immediately halts its motor processes upon detecting a fall, alongside automated external force and impact sensing. But Luna isn't the only humanoid teaching itself how to move by analyzing humans, which brings us to the main event here. As part of a massive promotional campaign for Hyundai and the FIFA World Cup 2026, Boston Dynamics just launched their Next Starts Now initiative, and its center stage video series is titled School of Football, showing Atlas learning 4 individual football moves so far just by watching these different football games. In fact, Atlas is actively analyzing the physics, speed, and complex body rotations of professional athletes, allowing it to then translate that visual data directly into physical soccer drills, using its advanced leg actuators to master footworks, feints, drills, and even celebrations. And on top of all this, it's said that Atlas will also be deployed live at designated tournament venues to assist with match logistics, operations, and fan engagement, even providing interactive experiences directly to the fans. So comment down below what you think those interactive experiences will be. Also, comment down below which is the next skill set that Atlas should learn to prove its dominance over some of these other competitors. And between Luna and Atlas, which of these robots would you be more willing to pay somewhere around $20,000 to $30,000 for, or else pay several $100s per month for a leasing service? This is after Boston Dynamics demonstrated lifting up a refrigerator full of loose items and shifting weights the other day. So it does seem that Atlas is quickly learning more and more skills all by itself to integrate with the real world, both for industrial use cases as well as entertainment use cases. And in terms of the Atlas's price, it's said to cost over $150,000 as of the latest projections, although they are several months old, so they could have come down. But comment below if you know of any other price information around either of these robots. But while Boston Dynamics is using soccer to show off its athletic coordination, AGIBOT is releasing its brand new BFM-2 to show off its new locomotion model. And it's just letting this robot here, the X2, take a beating. So what you're witnessing here, first you're going to see some parts fly off intermittently. You'll see some of these plastic coverings begin to break to really test the durability of this robot. There you see its first leg piece starts to go. And it's using a dual stage system architecture where it handles this semantic actuation gap by separating low frequency, high level cognitive intent planning from high frequency real-time execution. And the way that this is being teleoped by the individual in the back is with a 1000 hertz closed loop. And this enables real-time residual refinement to instantly neutralize unexpected environmental noise or physical disturbances, like what you're about to see here on the basketball court. Here this starts out as a dance, but then becomes a group attack where they start pelting him with their balls and then kicking him down. And this is an example of the universal state adaptation where this new BFM-2 architecture delivers locomotion stability regardless of the initial starting state. So whether the robot is from a static reset position or pose or completely random, unscripted, being shoved around, it's able to recover. And this is due to its robotic muscle memory engine. But tell us down below whether or not any robots were hurt during the making of this video. Like and subscribe, and check out this video here for more on the latest in AI and robotics news.